The homemade ice cream served in a chocolate cup is all ready to be served to my two little angels.
My name is Dion. I'm 5 years old. I love mommy. Mommy, hug me. I got the chocolate. Thank you, mommy. Thank you. I miss you. Miss you. Yum.
Nothing is more satisfying than seeing the happiness and the smile in my two little kids when they were relishing this dessert. Oh, I'm so happy it would bring a smile in their face. And here I got a hello message from my love.
Hello all, this is Sunil, Neetu's husband. I'm very glad that you people even thought about husbands and you want our opinion about how our wife cook or you arranged the last finale session, that how we feel when our wife prepare any kind of dessert for us or overall food we enjoyed through this cooking competition journey. I would certainly like to say need to cook well, and I really enjoy whatever she cook. Like her food have a fusion of actually Nepali and Indian food, and it is very delicious. And so you can see I'm overweighted. I do some overeating as well because food is very tasty. And unfortunately for this last session I'm not with her, and you proposed dessert, and I really like to eat sweet, but still I'm not with my wife and my kids. I hope she'll prepare something definitely for this competition, and my kids gonna enjoy that. I really will miss it, and nothing more to say more than this. I'll definitely miss that, and I wish good luck to Neetu, and I'll miss whatever she's gonna make, though she told me she's making something like ice cream and with some chocolates, and I don't know, I mean it's just yummy, you know, like it's just magic in her hands, and I really love the food she make. Thank you for giving husbands an opportunity to express themselves. Thank you.